Hey, questions?
Just stick up.
Okay, y'all got it. Welcome to Springdale, Arkansas, and I'm within it. This is Jeff right here. And kami bello All-Star next level, right? Next level here in Springdale, Arkansas.
Next level or stuff.
Oh,
Oh, you said it's called rec now.
whatever it is. Okay, we're over here at Springdale, Arkansas. Kumujara do jeluk. We just lari right bag of the gear. Ngai kachi jet kachi the ben Jeff and you walk all me kachi the man. Kumol kori ganan. Kadalagi ni mo kumro lari game merong. Quality jet kachi the ko. Me ranat ben jirigum. You lari any you wagi lorainin. Jeff, how do you feel about Mayo now recruiting in the States?
I don't know. I mean, honestly, I feel like they overlook us, down here in the U.S. But I get it, whenever you have players that are really good at Mayo, you want them to represent Mayo because they've been there since the beginning. But I just feel like they should recruit us here. I mean, there's a lot of talent, a lot of hard workers here. And there's some young kids that could really ball, man.
I really think that Mayo needs to come out here and recruit players. Just watch the young talent that we have out here because these kids play every single day. They work on their game, and it's from year to year. We don't have any players in the United States or in the mainland that doesn't represent Mayo. If we want to take our best players out there, when's the last time you were at Mayo, Jeff?
Never.
Okay, no questions for him. I was gonna ask him what's the difference between here and Mayo. Hey, come over here. I got a question for you. Look, Kyle's been at Mayo for what 3 months ago. Eu tô namorando per Mayo.
Almost 3 weeks.
And you've been in Arkansas how long?
14 years already.
14 years. So, tao ko tayo Mayo and in Arkansas, and what do you see the living wise and the difference?
I say the lifestyle is a whole different living out there. Out here in the States, you can't be living how you live in the islands. You wake up and after you see the sun, not even worrying about going to work. Versus out here, you have to get up every morning, go to work, and make that money and live out here. It's different out here, yeah.
Komol nga nalibin. Uwa ko am bayar erwa man. Man.
Who do you think would win if we were to take a U.S. team to Mayo?
Man, from my side of the game, I was born and raised in California, and I'm in Arkansas. I seen the best out of best. Like for me, first of all, I think the best team ever assembled was Bego. So shout out to them guys because I think they're the best ever team, and then Lai and on and on. But if you want to take the best all-star team, then United States, Tangan Mayo, no questions. Just go sweep out there. Hands down, no question about it. The only difference here is, Kamala get out of high school, we got responsibilities, we got to pay for rent and stuff like that. But I don't know how it's at Mayo, so I can't really speak on that. But if we take our top 10, I know for sure that Kamala dalong winlow jangan.
Yeah, I got one. Come here, Gordo. Right. Hey, what do you think about the Marshallies playing basketball, bro?
Hey, this guy's been around Marshallese. He knows our culture. He knows everything about us. He's rice and spam, musubi. Hey, what do you think about the culture? Because I know you were raised around Marshallese, and what do you think about the culture right here in Springdale, Arkansas?
I just want to say, first of all, if it wasn't for the Marshallese community, I wouldn't be hooping. I wouldn't know what hoop is. I'd be doing the Mexican thing, soccer. But yeah, shout out to the guys, man. They taught me how to play, and it's all up from here. Appreciate it.
Take care.
Okay. You got Jeff?
Yeah, I got one more. Who do you think is the best Marshallese player ever to ever play this game? Like, from your opinion, top 3.
Man, that's tough because, it's generation to generation. So I can't speak on any other generation. From where I'm from, it's one of my buddies out there. His name is June Azrin. People played against him. People knows him. Then I think Ducey comes next. And I think if you line them up, I think there's a lot of good players. But so far from Arkansas that I've seen so far, Jeff is one of the good players out here. And then we got Andy. Hey, Tonjo. Come back and So yeah, I think those are one of the best players out here. But like I'm saying, I've been in California, but out here, a lot of Midwest, that's where the hooping is at out here. Jeff was asking me, who do I think was the best player, Marshallese wise, that you seen?
Andy.
Oh, there you go.
But now he's fat. I don't know.
I didn't say that.
All right, don't cut that off.
Well, man, I think Majo needs to just step up, put some money into it, come to Arkansas on May Day's big event, and recruit these kids because day in and day out, they're out here playing basketball. And, young kids that are growing up, they could represent our island and, get us a gold because I don't think we never had gold before.
But I think when they brought Lai, I think that was the best opportunity for them. I just think, to be honest, I'll say it out flat. If they never had the players that they had for Abba, I think Lai would have beat those little young boys. But those boys could hoop either way.
Hey, Steve, come over here. Come over here, bro. This right here is Steve right here. This is for Chook Island. Everybody held that hoop. I'm not trying to be biased just because he lives in Arkansas, but you guys need to come out here and watch Steve play. He's in every tournament. He plays. He travels right now for balling. And if you guys need a point guard that want to take you guys to the top, this boy right here. What you feel about Chook need to do?
They need to get more in-state players. Separate the comp and yeah. But yeah, they need to come to the States, man. See what the Chookies in-state players be like. Yeah.
Appreciate you, bro. Hey. Okay. Yeah, I think that's what Majo needs to do. They need to come out here, recruit some young talent, take them to Majo, and let them represent RMI because, we all bleed, orange, white, and blue.
The 18 and under, 17 and under, they need to work on. Because last time I checked was our point was 20 and our opponent was 100-something. So I think we need to start with the young ones and probably go up our Marshall Island team. Our representatives. So.
Okay, our 18 and you, they need to come out here and recruit some of these young talents that we have in high school because not just from Arkansas, Oregon, Hawaii, California. There's a lot of kids out there that doesn't get the attention, and I think there's a lot of kids out there that can hoop. But imagine, I don't know if Jeff had any more questions for me.
You think they'll hear us out?
I don't know, man. They might just skip this video and be like, "Who the hell are these guys, man?" But that's from my opinion, But I want to go back to he said who's the best players, and I think Lechi is one of them that touched the rock. I want to say that for Majo, Lechi's one of them. I got you, Lechi.
He said it like 5 minutes after that question.
Hey, that was a hard question, though, man. Okay, man, y'all tune in because we got more videos, more content. Is that what we said? Thank you, Corey, for your time, and we're going to have more videos for you guys. Like, subscribe, and share.
And if you're in Arkansas and your keys are locked, call Royal Locksmith.
That's on the next episode. All right.